My name's Sam Newman. I work a lot in the area of cloud, continuous delivery, and microservices. And APIs are kind of obviously a key way of stitching together those microservices in many different ways. And so that's kind of been my interest point. If you think of architecture as the boxes and arrows, APIs are the arrows. And so understanding how to make better arrows is a key part of my work. Yes, I'm doing a keynote around resiliency, and it's sort of um, it's kind of a broad topic. The reason I got interested into it is because you've now got an awful lot of people building more distributed systems. That's been an upshot of microservices becoming popular. And the key thing I've always said is I'm not really a fan of microservices. I wrote a book about what happens if you use this architecture and how to use it well if you're going to use it. But one of the aspects of making your system more distributed is that you are more exposed, I think, to the kinds of issues that can cause instability in systems. So that caused me to look into resiliency more broadly. And I'm in the middle of writing a book on building more resilient distributed systems. And so in the talk I'm going to be giving is really looking at what resiliency is. So we're talking about kind of its origins in sort of resilience engineering in the context of, say, safety management, how that led to resilience engineering, how that changes how we think about how we build systems. Um, and so the talk I'm going to be giving is high level in terms of I'm talking about resiliency in the broadest sense, but showing how it's way more than just having like two copies of a service behind a load balancer, and also exploring how very much the people as part of a system have a massive part to play in terms of making your systems more or less resilient.